Algebra is all about an unknown number that you are trying to find. Sometimes it can be written as a blank space, sometimes a question mark, sometimes it can be written as an actual letter which is there to represent the value like x or n. In this case, the question says 20 plus 5 is the same as or is equal to 5 plus blank. The blank means that we have an unknown number that we don't know what it is yet. So we need to try and find out what that number is. You can look for patterns. For example, you've got plus 5 on one side, and this 5 here also is a plus because it has no negative sign in front of it. What we could do then is we could cancel those ones out by basically minusing 5 on both sides. That then gets rid of these. And what we're left with is 20 equals the blank space here, which means that they must be the same 20. We can then check this back. 20 plus 5 is 25, which surely is the same as 5 plus 20, which is indeed 25. Subtraction can also be used within algebra. We have 15 equals or is the same as 25 minus blank. In this case, we can use the same as before, where we balance out the sums on each side, so we need to cancel out. So we have a 15 on this side. If we want to cancel that out so it becomes blank, we would have minus 15. That would just leave us a blank space. We need to do the same to the other side, so therefore 25 minus 15 would be 10. Therefore we have the blank space equals 10. We can then just double check that is true, so we can write in 15 is the same as or is equal to 25 minus 10, and if we do 25 minus 10, we would find indeed that the answer is 15. In this case it says 3 times blank equals 18, so we need to find the unknown value, which is the blank space there. What we can do is we have 3 times a number is equal to 18, so we can do the inverse. So instead of timesing, you would then actually divide, so we can divide by 3 in order to cancel out that. And then what we do to that side of the equation, we must do to the other side, so we divide 18 divided by 3. So therefore we're left with a blank on this side equals 18 divided by 3, which is 6. So therefore our blank space must be 6. We can quickly just check that back. 3 times 6 does indeed equal 18, so we know it's got to be the correct answer. Division can also be used in algebra as well. This case we have blank divided by 5 equals 6. If we want to cancel out divide by 5, we do the opposite, the inverse, so therefore we would times by 5. That would then cancel out the divide by 5. What we then do, we must do the same to the other side, so therefore we would times 6 by 5. Therefore we're left with blank equals 6 times 5, which is 30. So therefore the blank must be 30. We check it back. 30 divided by 5, we need to check. It does indeed give us 6. Some algebra questions actually use the letters rather than blank spaces. So if we look at this, we start off with 6. We follow the arrow in the direction it's asking us to. 6. And in the instructions it said plus 20 equals A. So 6 plus 20 equals A. If we follow the line through, 6 plus 20 equals A. So A therefore must be 26. All you need to do on these is follow whatever instruction it is giving you, and then also the direction of the arrow. This type of algebraic sum is actually to do with substituting. It says which numbers can be used to make the sum true. So we have a blank space plus a blank space equals 50. The numbers we've been given to substitute the blank spaces are 5, 15, 25 and 35. So we'd need to work out which one would go with which would pair up to make 50. There's two ways we can do it. We can just substitute first of all by estimating. So we could use the 5 plus 15, but that only equals 20, so it can't be that pair. We could then do 5 plus 25, but that only gets us to 30, so again it can't be that pair. If we could do 5 plus 35, but that equals 40, again we know the 5 can't be part of the pair. You could then carry on, you could try the 15. 15 plus 25 equals, well, the 10 plus the 20 is 30, plus the 5 is 40. 35, sorry, plus the 5 is 40. So it can't be that one, so we can try out the next one. 15 plus 35. 10 plus the 30 is 40, plus the 5 is 45, plus the 5 is 50. So actually this pair goes together. Another way of solving it would be to subtract the numbers from 50 and then see if one of the pairs is the answer. So for example, if we did 50, take away 35, 10 take away 5 is 5, 4 take away 3 is 1, that would leave us with 15, which is the other number, and we could instantly see then that the 15 and the 35 were the pair. It doesn't matter which way you decide to do it. You can do it by estimating and guessing, or you can do it by the subtraction. In this algebraic sum, it is asking you to find x. Well, it's obvious this is a number line. We just need to check what the number line goes up in. So we think it is in ones. So if that was 0, that would be 1, that would be 2, that would be 3, that would be 4, and that would be 5. So it does indeed go up in ones. We can then work out that one more is added, plus another one to find x. So x equals 7. Algebraic sums can also be hidden within words. If we look at this one, it says, how many legs do 3 horses have? Well, if it's easier, you can draw the visual if that helps. So if you draw yourself just a very plain standard horse, you can then see that each horse has 4 legs. So you can either draw the 3 horses, if you like. And then you could easily count there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So therefore 3 horses would have 12 legs. You can make it more efficient than that. If you know that 1 horse has 4 legs, then you've got 3 horses. Then you know that it's 3 horses times the 4 legs that they've got each. So 3 times 4 is 12. Another way of doing it is using repeated addition. So therefore, you know that 1 horse has 4 legs. So you've got another horse, so you need to add another 4 legs, and another horse needs another 4 legs. 4 add 4 add 4 equals 12. Again, if you prefer the visual way, that's absolutely fine. If you know how to put it into multiplication, that's great. If you want to do repeated addition, it is up to you.